believe it that I was able to win a giveaway of 50,000 naira, and I also won a giveaway of $40,000. Sorry, $40, not $40,000. $40 worth of software on YouTube because I started a YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily, and this is You Can Be Productive. So, if you're an upcoming YouTuber, or you're already a YouTuber but you are about to give up because you're not seeing the traction you want to see, you're not seeing the growth you want to see, please, this video is for you. Watch this video. I know at the end of this video you'll be encouraged not to give up. You'll be encouraged to keep moving on, to keep creating, to keep be consistent on YouTube. Yeah, so the first thing, sorry, so that this video will not be too long or too rowdy, because I have a lot of things to say, right? I will segment what I want to share today in categories. I'll talk about my challenges, the challenges I had when I first started, even the ones I have right now, and also my achievement, my improvement, and my advice for you as a new YouTube creator, or as a small YouTube creator. So please, I want you to watch this video from beginning to the end. It will be fun, it will be impactful, it will be full of lessons that you use to help you build your own channel, to become a better person, basically. Yes, because that's what this channel is all about. So yes, the first thing I'll talk about is the challenges I encountered when I started. So yeah, when I started YouTube, I was, of course, I'm a 9 to 5. I work a 9 to 5 job, and I tried, because I don't know, I have been sharing productivity tips on my WhatsApp status, on my Twitter account, and also on my Instagram. So I just said, let me just start creating videos. Then I had a time management issue, because I was like, I do 9 to 5 job. How do I create videos? How do I sit in front of a camera to film and edit and do this and do that? So those were my excuses. So I decided to start with having a write-up. I'll just have to have a write-up blank page and upload it on YouTube as shorts and also as videos. So that was how I started. I was using InShot. I was using InShot to edit it to my own best, to the best of my knowledge, right? So that's what I was doing. Then I started having subscribers. I think I was having like one, and I had 100 subscribers. Like, oh my goodness, this is cool. So those were one of the challenges I had. I didn't have time. I didn't have time to film at that point because of my busy 9 to 5 work. Then later, the challenges was, oh, how do I film? Oh, I don't have a tripod. Oh, how do I make sure my phone is not shaking where I put it, to be able to make sure that my video is okay? But all these things were excuses. So I decided to just make do with what I have. So I would just like you to be picking the lessons along the way, make use of what you have, and keep improving as you go. See, if you want everything to be perfect before you take action, you will not take action in 10 years. So don't see, let your future self be grateful for you by taking action now with what you have. Start with what you have, right? So the next challenge I had was when I was able to, after some months, I was able to get a tripod. The next challenge I had was noise here and there. There was noise in my environment. I couldn't, even when I film a video, noise will be interfering into what I'm saying. So I had that other challenge too. I had this challenge, had other ones that, oh, how do I make sure that my lighting is good enough, my video is not crappy? But if I go, like, if you look back to my channel, that you'll see some videos that are very crappy. I mean, the lighting is crappy, the sound is crappy, but I didn't allow all these things to stop me. I was like, see, I'm not going to allow perfectionism to cause me to procrastinate starting this YouTube channel. I'm going to just take action and improve as I go. And to be sincere with you, I have improved. And this will lead me to my improvement so far. I have improved. The quality of my video has improved. Of course, there will still be noise here and there in my videos once in a while, but it has improved compared to when I first started. Now I have learned how to use camcorder to reduce the noise. I have learned how to make sure that the quality of my video is better than how it was before. I've learned how to. I didn't tell you, I had the problem of staying in front of a camera and being able to know what to say. Oh my goodness. See, laugh with me. Let's laugh together at this one because I wanted to say something, but the words you used to say it, I couldn't find it. So I was always stuttering and stuttering. Because normally on the natural I stutter. Yeah. But it was bad at that time. Seriously, I was so camera shy. I don't know. Somebody who is camera shy. I don't know what she's looking for filming a video with her face on it, but I'm that girl. So yes, I was camera shy, but look at me now. Look at me now. Yeah, so if you are that person, you're camera shy or you're self-conscious or in front of the camera, see, as you practice, as you see, if you're camera shy today, come tomorrow, stay in front of the camera, talk to the camera. Before you know it, you'll be a pro. You'll go from being camera shy to being a confident person in front of the camera. I hope you're getting it. Yes. So also, I improved in my video editing skills. Oh my goodness. Because I was thinking about that. These people that do fancy videos on YouTube, very good animation, good color grading and stuff. And I'm like, can I even know these things? But look at me, guys. I have improved. It may not even show right now, but I have improved a lot, right? So yeah, these are my improvements, and also I'll go to my achievements. Seriously, I want to just thank the Lord because I started when I started. Right now, I'm at 222 subscribers, and I'm proud. I am proud of myself for 222 followers. Subscribers. No. I am so grateful for the opportunity to be able to share my knowledge with the world and on YouTube here. So my achievement, I was able to achieve 40,000 views. Yeah, I was able to achieve 40,000 as at now. I think I have about 40,000 views on my YouTube channel. Also now I have 222 subscribers like I said earlier, and also like I told you from the beginning of the video, like I won a 50,000 naira giveaway. Yes, because I have a YouTube channel. What if I don't have a YouTube channel? What if I had stopped because I didn't have tripod? What if I had stopped because I don't know how to edit now? Let me just stop. No. Let us encourage you to start with what you have. Start where you are. Yes. Even if you are doing 9 to 5 job, see, I challenge you. Yeah. Challenge you to start. Start with where you are and what you have. Yeah. So I was able to also win. You will not believe it that I was, as I film on YouTube, I share my journey on my WhatsApp status. I also share my journey on my Twitter account. So there was a day I share about the videos I upload on my Twitter. If you would like us to connect on Twitter, my Twitter account will be linked down in the description. If you want us to connect on Instagram, my Instagram handle will be linked down in the description. Yes. So I share my journey as a YouTuber with a 9 to 5 job on Twitter and on my Instagram, such that even people are reaching out to me. A friend of mine reached out to me to teach her how to grow a YouTube channel. I'm like, me? Are you saying me? Oh my god! I have become a teacher. All right. So that having a YouTube channel has opened me up to many opportunities, like having to win. I see. You would not believe it. vidIQ. I hope you know vidIQ on YouTube. This software that help people get small views, help make people's videos rank better on YouTube. This software company reached out to me and they gave me a free, I mean, they gave me a free access to use their software for a time. Like, without having to pay for it, without having to do anything. And like, I was blown away. I was like, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. See, if you already have a channel, and you want to quit because you feel like you're not getting that right, that growth you want to get. See, don't quit. Talk about your channel. Be Don't be ashamed of your channel. Don't be ashamed of your videos. See, I was ashamed that when I first started, because I was like, look at my videos. Oh my god. Look at I am even talking. Look at how shaky I was. Look at how my voice is shaking. So at some point, when I started, I was afraid. I was ashamed of my videos. But I didn't stop. That didn't stop me. I kept producing. I kept creating videos. I kept appearing in front of the camera, and it helped me over time to become more confident. Even right now, that that I'm able to stand in front of a camera to talk to you. So don't stop. Don't see. There will be so many excuses. There'll be so many excuses that life will throw at you not to take action, not to be consistent. See, as life is throwing out those excuses, be throwing the reasons why you have to continue to it. See, I don't know, but if creating ideas is your problem, if that's what is holding you back, then you have to just learn how to just be authentic. Come up with ideas or check other people's YouTube channel. That's how people start. I started by doing that. I'll look at what people are doing in my niche, and I say, okay, how can I rebrand this? How can I still give value using this YouTube idea? And see, there will always be excuses for you not to start anything, but you have to keep showing up, keep doing your best, give it all you've got. Yep, give it all you got. Yes, and see, let me give you a tip. As a 9 to 5 worker, one way I'm able to get content ideas is whenever I go to work, I always have my notepad beside me. So as I'm working in my 9 to 5, whenever I get an idea, I quickly write it down so I don't forget it. So the more I get ideas, the more I write them down, so that when I'm ready to film videos, it will not be hard for me to remember ideas or to film a video. So yes, guys, that's it. And my advice to you is that please start. Yes, start where you are. Start with what you have. Be proud of yourself. Be proud of your win. Be proud of your achievement. If you have 1 subscriber today, be proud of it. Celebrate it. If you have 2, if it is 5 you have, celebrate it. See, these things are small wins, yes, but when you celebrate them, they propel you to do more. They propel you to achieve more, right? They propel you to be excited to produce more videos that will attract these subscribers. Yes. So the next point is to talk about your channel everywhere and anywhere. Say, hello, my name is Emily, and this is what I do. I have a YouTube channel, this, that. You can follow me. I share this content, I share that content. See, whatever you are a YouTube creator, you are a content creator, basically. So share content, tell people about your channel, tell people about what you do, and make sure your videos are impactful. Always have a reason for doing a video. Yes, always have a reason for doing a video. Maybe you want to help people stop procrastinating. You want to help people start managing their time better. So these are my advice to you. Please don't procrastinate it again. Take a step. Whatever you want to do, take a step. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, see, in this channel, we do all things productivity, all things living your best life. So please like this video, share it with your friends who are say I want to like they want to start with the channel but they've not been able to start, or maybe they've started but they have lost their steam. Share this video with them to reignite that passion in them, to encourage them to start again. Yeah. So subscribe to this channel. It's really helped me. It's really helped me to grow. I hope that this video encourages you that are watching this video to start. It encourages you to take that action that you have been procrastinating. And I would like to hear from you. Yep, I would like to hear from you your challenges you have encountered while you're trying to build your YouTube channel, or you're yet to start. What are the things holding you back? I would like to hear from you. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you. I really love you. I look forward to hearing from you in the comments. Please drop a comment for me. And if you'd like to see any video on this channel, kindly drop it in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, you will enjoy this one up here. Yes, see you in the next video. Bye for now. Yep, 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 yep.